Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Labour Party as Xavier mean, them shut it down and downgrade it and turn it in a clinic. Not no up here, one doctor. Come here must see 3 times for the week. From 9 to 5. If you ever come here after 5 o'clock, that is it. The hospital closed. You have a journey, Ghana, St. Anne's Bay. We don't have anything up here in Southwest St. Anne. And this constituency has been ruled by the Jamaica Labour Party for 55 long years. Xavier Mean done have a 2 term. We are the only constituency in Jamaica where don't have a formal housing structure. God bless the mothers and fathers where dead left one piece of land, give them pitney. And they have ambition and then go work, then little farming. Work and save and buy 100 black throw down upon the land. And take them little time and put on one room. God bless who go up on the farm work program and take little shame out of them parents say and build up. We don't have nothing down here. We are the only constituency in this country that don't have a formal housing structure. Ask anybody if no housing scheme or no government house there Southwest Center. None. And this dirty bitch, the outgoing MP Xavier Mean, promised the people them 10 years now. Alexandria Estate. Where is it? 2016 to 2020. You promised them. And you know, deliver it in those years. And you come back 2020. Come put up big sign. Coming soon. Where is Alexandria Estate? 5 more years have passed, Xavier. And you're asking the people of Southwest St. Anne to give you another chance? Wait, not up here. Not up here. Danishka Williams, the people I work with. You have overspent your time and you need to take Pauline Chowers along with you. I am sick and tired of unable to take a shower. Me tired for you catch water in a bath pan. Me tired for you throw water upon me body. God bless those who put on one ear tank or one black drum. But we still have to depend on rainfall. I don't know, sit down here and run back as Xavier Mean. What has Xavier Mean done for the people of Southwest St. Anne? Eh? That's all them do up at Southwest. I put on big show and big dance. Nothing to think about the future of this country or this constituency. Anybody will left high school, they have to migrate because there is nothing here unless you want to go fix Marisil, broke down, chuck them, or go haul dirt. Eh? What is there in Alexandria? What is there on Gibraltar? No worse. Upper Burbridge and Calderwood. What has Xavier Mean brought to this constituency that can retain our young people? We have had enough of the Labour Party. And we are voting for change. We are voting for change. So no could have come up with all kind of cock and bull story. If we try to tarnish Danishka name, we still are going to vote for Danishka Williams. Eh? He has done nothing for the people of Southwest St. Anne. Absolutely nothing. And come and beg people for another chance. Eh?
Oh, God.
You listen to this.
Dead.
Jamaica, I've had enough. I have had enough, man. Why can't we have a fair election campaign without doing these dirty kind of underbelly thing for damage people. When has Danishka speak anything negative about Xavier Mean to damage his campaign? Everything the lady talk about is the truth and the facts. When she come a Southwest Center and come see the condition. We are not telling any lie on Xavier. So why the Labour Party have to be coming up with these nasty, dirty accusation to make people look on the girl in a certain cut it out? It is a shame to know that you're there for 10 years and the girl come here 8 months now and I show you up in this manner. It says a lot, Jamaica. It says a lot. It says a lot, Jamaica. I have had enough of these labor rights trying to destroy people character. You must stop it. You must stop it, man. It is awful. It is awful. You must stop it. I want you to listen, Jamaica, to what the average man and woman is saying about Xavier Mean in Southwest St. Anne and what they think about Comrade Danishka Williams. I hope you know listen this morning. You listen to this, Jamaica. Excuse the French. Excuse the language.
Me never vote from a born in my life. And 2025 will be first time I vote. And I vote for a girl around Southwest Center and a girl named Danishka. Remember me tell them, man. Yeah, I prefer listen to them people or put them in and see what them have to deal with. More than continue with the pussy wall them while they fuck you up in the life. You see, all out the labor right for suck on the mama. When they rate no bias. When we sit down in this and say we are dead and still sit down there and the blood clot there. Before we get somebody else and make we see what them have to offer or what them are going to do. You see, so them are dog shit and do nothing. And they all on the group up and still they put them in to do the fucking work worse in the life. For $2,000. I was suck out to the mama. I say, I want to come on my yard, come to the boy. Come vote for me. I can chop in your blood clot and dry your woman on my yard. I want to come over my yard, come talk about. Come and vote for us. And I take up my shit and chop in your bumbo clot and dry your woman on my yard. The pussy wall. I don't rate no now. I mean, I vote. This going to be the first time I vote in my life. Remember me tell you that. Just become one and get rid of you. I'm going to suck out to no matter. And I rate no now, pussy. Yo.
Let me just apologize for the foul language. But when you get the people of Southwest Center and angry, they will speak out. And I cannot believe Xavier Mean sit there and allow people to be running with a narrative that is not true. They need to stop with this kind of nasty campaign. Danishka has been here with us for over 8 months. And the change that she has bring to Southwest St. Anne. Can you imagine when she win this seat, the Jamaica Labour Party needs to stop this type of campaign. This is the second time now they're putting a rumor out there. Tell the truth, tell the people them that Pauline Chowers, the Jamaica Labour Party candidate for the Calderwood division, she take the people their money and to stage a meeting up there and nobody came out. And the people them come back for their money. Cause you know like Lego money. Pauline tell the people them the truth. Why gunman come shoot up your house? And you a walk tell people you know. And instead you go complain to the police. You call your friend them because you know your friend them. We go start spread rumor about from this girl come a Southwest St. Anne appear trouble. We not have no trouble down here in a Southwest St. Anne. You're too bad and wicked and lie. You're old enough to be me granny and I don't want to bring you down on the internet. You must stop it. And that's why the people in Macalda would turn against you. Because you're too wicked and bad in your old age. You Pauline Chowers, you have to stop it. Gunman come shoot up your place because you take the people their money and instead of you spend the money and put on a good meeting, you palm the money and you collect up the money and you sit down on it and then come back for their money. Tell the people them the truth. So you not spend up the money where you get for put on the meeting up there in a Stepney where you come and call Danishka name in and you thinking, I will forever speak the truth. in Southwest St. Anne. You're rude and feisty, girl. You're rude and feisty. Eh? What Danishka do Southwest St. Anne people more than go around and I try to make herself be known. The poor girl want a change in Southwest St. Anne. And these people under this sufferation, and they rather sit down in this sufferation, them see a change coming. And all because Xavier give them 1-2 sheet of zinc. Xavier do give them one night's dinner. Tell them to go pick up some grocery. The other day I was speaking to a constituent and they say, you know, say me I go support Xavier do because he said if you come down at the office, come set down my name for one black drum. When the guy go down there and he see Xavier, remember Xavier see him on the road, you know, and I tell him, say, yes man, come at the office, set down your name. You can get one of those. When the man go down there, the man says Xavier, they look pan him from head to toe. I wonder where you come down here for. What is about? Do I know you? I saw the man says Xavier, they look at us yesterday, the day before Xavier and him have a conversation. And Xavier say, come down at the office for your black drum. The man says Xavier, the man tapping at the office. Xavier, they look at the man from head to toe like you don't know him from Adams. Eh? The man say, no, I cannot support Xavier in this election. And the sentiments is being shared by many this morning. Many people in Southwest St. Anne is upset with Xavier Main. So much so that these young people have to be coming out. Excuse the language, Jamaica. Excuse my apologies for the language. But listen to what the young people them must say about the Jamaica Labour Party as Xavier Main in Southwest St. Anne. And the reason why they need to make a change. Several first-time voters will be voting for Danishka this time because Xavier has done nothing for the people of Southwest St. Anne. For the 10 years he sit down there, no water. We don't know what it is like to go into your house and turn and shower and see water come. We tired for your throw water upon we body. We tired for your bathe in a bucket. We tired for your catch water in a bad pan. When you come talk about Xavier Guno Road, where the road where Xavier Guno there? Because I can't the one from Brownstown to Alexandria. I can't the road from Alexandria to Stepney 9 Mile no attack. Because all those roads, the road from Brownstown, all the way up to Inverness, that road was procured and signed off by Portia Simpson Miller. That road from Charlton go right up to 9 Mile, where you see Xavier come fix. It's not Xavier handiwork. Xavier had no choice but to continue. And that is the thing where a lot of you need to understand the politics, you know. Some of the things when Mark Golding come in next week, Wednesday, some of the things when Mark Golding have to do when come in, it's not going to be his work. His hands are going to be tied because this government already signed off on it. One of those things is the National Stadium. Only a year, Babsy said the National Stadium are going to complete by 2028. Those things are signed off on. Remember, PNP not coming to power yet. And she signed off on it. This is what outgoing parties do. Them put the incoming government in all kind of problems before the new government take over. That National Stadium, when the PNP make it, it going to look like it's the PNP, yes. But them are going to do them backstory and say it was signed off by the Jamaica Labour Party. It's the same thing. Portia signed off on the road from Brownstown to Inverness and from Brownstown to go up a 9 Mile. So when them lose the election, I want to see Xavier run up and down and fix the road. I know Xavier fix the road from Brownstown, come up here. I know him fix the road from Brownstown, come up here. Mama P already signed off, so Xavier never have no choice but to fix it. But that's how labor rights stay, they like claim things that they don't know about. And that's why the young people are class Xavier this morning in the Southwest St. Anne. Listen to what the young people must say to Xavier up here.
Me, never vote from a born in my life. And 2025 will be first time I vote. And I go vote for a girl who run Southwest Center and a girl named Danishka. Remember me tell you, man. Yeah, I prefer listen to them people or put them in and see what them have to deal with. More than continue with the pussy wall them while they fuck you up in a life. You see, all of the labor right for suck with the mama. We don't rate no bias. When we sit down at this and say we are dead and still sit down in the blood clot there. Before we get somebody else and make we see what them have to offer or what them are going to do. You see, so them a dog shit and do nothing. And the whole on the group up and still they put them in to do the fucking up worse in their life. For $2,000. I was suck out to the mama. I said, Mama, when I don't come on my yard, come tell you about. Come vote for me. I can chop in your blood clot and dry your woman on my yard. When I don't come over my yard, come talk about. Come and vote for us. And I take up my machine and chop in your bumbo clot and dry your woman on my yard. The pussy wall. I don't rate none of them. I don't vote. This going to be the first time I vote in my life. Remember me tell you that. Just become one, get rid of them. I'm going to suck out to the mother. And I rate none of them.
You hear that, Jamaica? This is the sentiments being shared in Southwest St. Anne. The entire parish of St. Anne. The same thing in Northwest with Gabby, Crystal Lee. And now you see she run up and down like when chicken lose their egg. She run up and down in a Brownstone. Brownstone people done with Crystal Lee. Brownstone people don't have nothing to do with Crystal Lee. And it is the same thing down here in South. Nobody look past Southeast St. Anne, you know. Because me don't know what they're saying. Aiden Pierre. I don't know. But respect due to the democracy, we need a candidate up there. But Kenneth Russell. That is it for Southeast St. Anne. And I hear say Ryan Simpson gone clear for Northeast St. Anne. Jamaica people, St. Anne will be returning home to the People's National Party. I am asking when you hear the rumors them circulate, especially when they start circulate about Danishka, stay focused. Do not be distracted, Jamaica. Do not be distracted. Ask yourself the question. Why so many of us have to leave Southwest St. Anne to make it? There is nothing here to hold on to the young people of this constituency. Every young people, when they graduate from high school down here, they have to migrate Ghana Town, Ghana Mobile, Ghana Liverwochi. There is nothing Xavier Main has put in place to retain young people to develop Southwest St. Anne. Absolutely nothing. And then this lady come out, come talk about since Danishka come a Southwest appear problem. Are you are the problem up there in Calderwood? You, Pauline Chowers, are you are the problem up there? That's why they reject you. Good morning, Paul McFarlane. Good morning, Councillor Jim. We love
ripping off the people of Jamaica and making our lives much harder than they should be. And I just want to make one additional point, if I may, on this tax proposal that they have come up with. Now, if you reduce the income tax rate from 25 to 15, it means that somebody who's earning $30 to $40 million of income and who's paying $10 million of tax is going to end up paying $4 million less tax that the people of Jamaica need to fund the programs to support the society. Our program, and our proposal, which is to increase the threshold, means that the people who need it most, everyone will benefit who pays income tax now, including the man earning 30 to 40 million. But his benefit or her benefit will be no greater than the benefit that the teacher, that the benefit that the police officer, that the benefit that the nurse is getting, which is 100% relief on their first $3.5 million of income. And that is why it's a more progressive, just, and fair solution than what they are offering, where ministers of government, prime ministers, and others will get a huge tax break by their policy and their proposal, which our proposal will not do. Our proposal is equitable and ensures that those who need it most are the ones who get the benefit.
Oh, no, go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office, on the things that we are novice, on the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we younger. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we younger. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Market G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we, because we have some some guy with them on a intention. Leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do a wedding call the election. Vote them out cause them no see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when them win them a go down pray. So we a tell them promptly people don't vote them out cause them no see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when them win them a go down pray. We have to tell them